Hey everybody, what we have here is something a little interesting here today. So what I'm going to turn the box around and show you what I got. You guys can see what I have here is a Dell Inspiron 14 I recently picked up. I was going to show you the specs of this thing. Well, the reason I picked this is going to be mainly an unboxing video and a little bit of a backstory. The reason I picked this up is because I needed a Windows PC for certain programs so I could be able to run Windows on certain programs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this box open and see what's inside, shall we? If I can get the seal open on this box. There we go. Let me turn this around because I had it the wrong way. Trying to be able to get it the way I can see it on the camera. So let me raise this up so we can get a little bit of attention on this, focus on the subject for a bit. So right in here you got the power cord. Your genuine Dell charger. And you got the other end of the power cord that goes into the wall, of course. It's a 3-prong. And we got the laptop itself. And you got your little warranty information and little setup guide to do like the warranty information, which nobody hardly ever reads. Mostly the instruction manual or the warranty information. So here's the main event. I believe this is the carbon black. So this is the Dell Inspiron 14 5440, I believe, which it is on the box. So let me go ahead and close this all up. Even though this got 8 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, at some point I'm gonna eventually upgrade all the SSD to a 2 terabyte and the memory to 32 gigabytes, even though this thing can go up to 64 gigabytes. And I'm gonna replace the standard Windows version of Windows 11 with the Pro version of Windows 11 so I can be able to use certain features. So, and this one's got the Intel Core i5. Looking at it on the box, which I'd have to see turn on to see how many gigahertz this thing's clocked on. I know it's like 2 point something gigahertz. There we go, and it fires right up. And while this thing's booting up, you got your charging port, your HDMI, your USB port, and you got another USB for USB-C. And you got your SD card slot, headphone jack, Kensington lock, and another USB port. But this would be good for running certain programs that require strictly Windows. For even though I'm more of a Mac user, I'm still going to be a full-time Mac user. And plus, this would be good for like travel, if I need something most likely to travel instead of taking the MacBook. So we're gonna go ahead and go to English. And we're gonna do United States. And we're gonna select US. We're gonna skip adding a secondary layout. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi and get my Microsoft account logged in, and once I get everything situated, I'll be all set. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here so I can finish setting this all up off camera. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.